Hi, I'm Nadia and I'm part of the education team at Caryl Baker Visage. Today we're going to have a little bit of fun and I'm going to teach you all about the importance of scrubs and masks. At Caryl Baker Visage, we have many different options of exfoliation and masking treatments. The importance of exfoliation is to remove, dissolve dead skin cell buildup, allowing your ingredients in the skincare to penetrate much deeper into the skin. Today I'm going to be demonstrating to you my absolute Caryl Baker Visage fave, which is our triple threat peel, which has a blend of natural acids as well as fruit acids to dissolve dead skin cell buildup. Okay, so how I use this at home, I use it 1 to 2 times a week. I do have more of a combination drier skin. Some of my skin concerns that I do have is I am starting to get, some congestion here. I am maturing, hopefully gracefully, but I do want to smooth out those, fine lines and wrinkles that I'm starting to see. I'm going to just show you on the back of my hand here. That's sufficient. I personally don't like using my actual fingertip just because it does have natural acids, within the product itself. So I don't want it to remove dead skin cell buildup that's on my fingertip. So at home, you could use a Q-tip using a doe foot here. Now, when you're dealing with skincare, you always want to work in an outward motion going against gravity. You want to make sure that you lift the hair upwards, avoiding the mucous membrane. The triple threat peel has a blend of AHA. So it has alpha hydroxy acid, it does have glycolic acid, it has salicylic acid, as well as lactic acid. It also has fig, which is amazing for brightening pigmentation. And what this particular peel does, it's great for all skin types. You don't really want to use it for someone who's overly sensitive, but great for someone who has more of a thicker skin, more for anti-aging, because it is going to help to smooth out fine lines and wrinkles. It's going to help to smooth out any type of scoring that you have. It's going to help to lighten pigmentation. And it does have a smaller molecular structure, able to penetrate into the deeper layers of the skin, breaking down that glue-like substance that holds the dead skin to the true living skin. There you go. So you leave that on for about 2 to 7 minutes. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to remove your exfoliation treatment at home. So I'm using disposable gauze, my personal preference. At home, if you have disposable gauze, you can use that. Cleansing sponges is a great alternative. Or if you have like a clean face wash, you can do that too. You just want to make sure that you use lukewarm water, not too hot, not too cold. Again, working in an outward motion, going against gravity, ensuring that you remove the full product. You may experience some tingling sensation, and that's quite normal and common. I'm going to use fresh gauze. You don't want any of the product to linger around on the face or on your cleansing materials. For this particular product, 2 or 3 rinses is sufficient. So now I'm going to show you my favorite Caryl Baker Visage mask, which is the Vitality Mask. This particular mask is best suited for my skin, and I need something that's going to help to slow down the aging process. I also do have dehydrated skin, so my skin does lack a lot of water and moisture in the skin. So I'm going to be using the Vitality Mask. It's whipped. I'm obsessed with this particular mask. It looks like whipped cream. You just want to eat it. It does have coenzyme Q10. So it's a super antioxidant. It's going to fight against free radical damage. It also has zinc, which is going to help to soothe and calm any irritation my skin is experiencing. Again, you apply it in an outward motion going against gravity. You can use either a Q-tip or your fingertips. This mask here, if you want, you can actually leave it on overnight. Just make sure that your pillowcases are covered. That way you don't get too messy. And I love the smell of it. It smells like cucumbers, actually. And you should be applying your mask and give yourself a little mini facial at home, anywhere between 1 to 3 times a week. And you would apply your mask after your exfoliation. That way your ingredients are able to penetrate deeper. Voila. So now I'm going to show you the proper technique on how to remove your mask. So again, depending on which mask you're using at home, it will have instructions for you, but our mask at Caryl Baker Visage you can leave on anywhere between 10 to 15 minutes, with the exception of the Vitality mask, which is what I'm using. You can leave it on for as long as you wish. So again, the same way you would remove your exfoliation or any cleansing product, you're going to be using either clean cleansing sponges, or I particularly like just clean disposable gauze. And again, just working in an upward-outward motion, going against gravity. Always using lukewarm water. You don't want to go too hot, because that can actually cause your skin to get a little bit more dehydrated and cause more sensitivity to the skin. You also don't want to have too cold of a temperature, because that could shock the skin as well. You want to definitely use antioxidants like the coenzyme Q10 in the Vitality mask to help fight against all that free radical damage, to protect the skin and your skin cells. To know which exfoliation and masking treatments are best suited for your skin type and skin needs, please contact your local Caryl Baker Visage face spa, and one of the face experts will be more than happy to provide you with a complimentary skin assessment.